Okay, so I'll call it a fail again. I did not do any videos, even though I mentioned it to the guys I was going to do it. So this is running. I like it. I like this one. Like how we have the falls that came dropping in here. Like how we have this cool little falls. This one I really like. How over there it's got this like weird little nodules that drops off. We actually had another fall that was going to go up there. We didn't put in. Just couldn't get the elevation to work well. So kind of Ant and I both at the same time kind of had the same thought process, and I'm like, let's get rid of the falls, and he's like, yeah, we don't need it, just make it a stream, and it works. Plants are in, they're mulching it now. We got to blow and clean it. Moss is in. After it's all said and done, I'll do one more video, but I figure I'll let you see what it looks like now. So we've got the Aquascape SLD 5 to 9,000 pump. I think I've got this only on like a 5 or a 6 right now. Got a great sound, and got this all planted in. Tried to stick as true to her color palette she wants, but it's tough to put something that just has white flowers. Two streams, one that goes up and around this side, more slower, more like a brook, kind of that low sound, and then this side we have a faster rushing, more volume, bigger drop coming up on this side. Gentle little stream coming along on this side. Birds to bathe in. Nice larger rushing water on this side for the sound effect. Nestled in all these azaleas and boxwoods and hollies. You like it? You can't say any words? You gonna foam in the moss for me? No. No? Why not? What are you gonna get if you do it?